YouTubers, what's up? It's your boy K, the Bridge of Financial Literacy. I'm back here, and I have a video for you guys today. It kind of just like, it ain't gonna be like structured in a kind of way, cause it's kind of like how I think, in especially now in this market, and my thought process around building stock, building positions in my portfolio and stuff like that. So I'm gonna just be bouncing around and stuff like that. So just walk with me. Walk with your boy. It might be a lot, but I'm gonna be bouncing around because ideas just come, man. But it's certain fundamental things that helps you get these ideas. So that's what hopefully I can give to you guys through this video. So yeah, so I'm gonna just go ahead and get into it. But thank you for clicking on this video. I appreciate all the time that you guys spend watching these videos that I make. I'm just really appreciative. I'm just an appreciative person. I want to give flowers to those people who click these videos because it matters. I thank you. Okay, so the market is crazy. The market is crazy. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. But crazy opportunities, and I don't know where to put my money at, man. It's so crazy. I don't know where to put it. But me going through these charts and stuff like that, what I'm gonna get into in a second, helps me make my decisions. So I had this plan coming into this year about like each quarter how I wanted to invest, what options I want to buy, what positions I want to build out, all of this stuff. Just thinking that it's gonna get, and then this I'm not gonna call it stupid because I know people are being devastated by it, but from an economic and like my portfolio, I hate this war, but it's terrible, world events that's going on right now that I feel like the market is taking advantage of. And because these are great companies and they're just like tanking like 50, 60, 70, 80%, like bad. It is crazy. And but buy the dip for me is real. Because like the stuff that is tanking are like large caps, like a lot of large caps, man. And so let me just go ahead and get into this thing, man, so I can show y'all some of the stuff what I be talking about. Share my page. Alright, let's move this here. Alright, this is TradingView. And that's Bitcoin right there, but I'm not looking at Bitcoin. So what I want to first do is I want to look at the stuff that mostly where my stocks reside at, and that's going to be in the NASDAQ. So this is the day chart. So these candles represent each day. Okay, so this is like the 9th, this is the 8th, this is the 7th, and so on and stuff like that. So the overall trend right here is not not one that I like. But this trend is a trend that happens that allows you to have buying opportunities. All right, so let's go to the week chart. All right. So this overall trend is just going down. Let's fix this a little bit. All right, so for the last several weeks, the NASDAQ has been going down, and so that's where a lot of the stocks that I hold are in this thing. So I look at stuff like this to help me to see where the market is going. That, and I also learned that the VIX is the volatility market, and that's something that I didn't understand. I mean, I didn't realize, and I don't too much understand it 100%, but it's something to look at for stock buying. I don't really understand exactly what I'm looking for here, but I know that volatility means, up and down. Like stuff in the market is going up and down like crazy. So, and I just know that that's something else that people people look at whenever they're doing their stock picking or stuff like that. So I look at that one, and I look at the SPY too. The SPY kind of lets you know like where the market is at, and it's been you know great move up, steady, consistent, and stuff like that. But now, at this time, unfortunately, we have this war going on. So the last several weeks, this thing has just not been doing anything but going down. But so for people like me, it's an opportunity. So what prompted this video for me was Tesla. It always comes back down to Tesla. This stock is like the best stock in my mind that you can buy in this time. Like it's almost like an ETF. Like they have energy storage, they have technology, they have vehicles, they have HVAC stuff they have 2 factories being built, well, not being built, finished built, and that are going to start production very soon. How do I know that? I seen in my city of Norfolk, and which makes it so much better. It makes it so much sweeter. It's so much sweeter. Can we make so much sweeter a word? Like so much sweeter. Like we need to make that one word so much sweeter. It's so much sweeter. And they bought I think it's a troll. It gotta be. They bought one of Ford's dealerships, and now they're it's amazing. It's amazing. I gotta show you.
This is epic. Too epic for me to even say. Look at it. You don't know how happy I am to see this place.
Crazy. Oh my god. But anyway, I got it in another video. But so they bought that, and it just helps moves like that helps me to see my hypothesis and things that I'm thinking about the stock and the way that they're expanding, they're growing. It validates me buying the stock, because it's inevitable, man. This EV transition is inevitable, and it's going to happen faster than people think. All right, so then I'm gonna go to chart on. Let's look at Tesla on the week chart. So Tesla is on a downtrend, just like the whole market, right? This is Tesla. The last several weeks, stuff like that. But it's been holding up. It's been holding up in this market for good. For the first quarter, at least, Well, okay, so I stopped buying Tesla around the prices where it is now, and so now it's back to one of those spots. So for me, it's a great opportunity to buy it, and if it drops a little bit lower, then I can dollar cost average it down, which will help me out on taxes and stuff like that, which I love, because trading view, which I love because it helps me, create, better gains and stuff like that. So this right here is where we are currently. What's it? $7.95. Great. I think it's a great opportunity right here. Great opportunity. But yeah, so these are some of the things that I use to help me make my decision outside of like reading and going through all of the the press releases and stuff like that. So yeah, man, like this thing is crazy. It's crazy. It's just crazy because they're just changing the world, and people trying to like stop, like, I don't know, like they don't want it to happen for whatever reason. I don't know. And I know it's just because they're going to disrupt this oil, it's crude oil, which is going crazy right now, because of this war situation. It sucks, you know. Like, my heart definitely goes out to the people, like the people who are actually, you know, in need of help, and who are just been devastated or been lost their lives and stuff like that. All of that sucks, man. It sucks, and it's just causing a lot of pain, you know, elsewhere, a lot in a different areas. So we'll definitely be praying for those people, for the people in Ukraine, and stuff like that. So, but yeah, sorry to get off on that. I don't know. I have a big heart. It's there. I can't stop it. uh, but yeah, man. So, I wanted to make this video to just like help anybody who views it to how I say it, poke at ideas, and like how, you know, strategically to pick what you want to buy in the market. You know, like charts they're very helpful. Information is the most, you know, that's the most helpful you're going to use. Most helpful tool you're going to use is just the information, and you find it like different outlets, you know, like you can just find them anywhere. Investopedia, you got Yahoo, Google search, Google Trends, stuff like that. And then typing in like finding the 10K. It's like a report that the company uses to give investors everything that they're doing for like that quarter, or that they did for the other quarter. I think it's that they did, or and that they're doing. I have this part called guidance, and a lot of people pay attention to the guidance. That's like a forecast of what the company heads want to do with that company, and so people kind of use these things, you know, to invest. So I look at it like this. So there are a bunch of houses out there, right? They all serve the same purpose, but they're fundamentally things that you have to do to make sure a house stays up, right? And that's what I feel like, you know, looking at charts, getting information, getting looking at it with your own eyes, just, you know, follow like on a watch list, watching the stock. That's like the foundation, I feel like, of keeping a house up, you know. And stocks are like houses and stuff, so you want to buy the best one for you that's suited, so you can jump in there and live. I don't know. I honestly think in this market, you guys should just look for the best value, the best values that you can look like that you can buy, you know, at this time, and hold. It's going to drop because we're in a down market, but on the way out. Oh my God. On the way out. So we look at like a V. So if we look at the V, right, we're like, I feel like we're like right here, right? We're like right there on the V. And then the other side of the V, you know, is up. You know what I'm saying? So you buy as much as you can in that valley, you know, in the little valley. And then once it goes up, like, you'll be more weighty. Is that a word? We'll figure it out. But anyway, yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you make it to this point in this video, I'm grateful for your eyeballs and ears. And yeah, man, I don't got too much else, man, but just be careful out there in this market. I would definitely look at options. If you understand options and stuff like that, that would be a good thing to buy, in my opinion. But all in all, this isn't financial advice. This is just my opinions. I'm about telling people what to do with their monies. I'm just letting y'all know what I'm doing with mine sometimes. Anyway, man, today is a good day. I'm grateful to be alive and in the stock market, because I feel like things get bad and then I feel like things get good. But I feel like in the stock market, good things happen, you know, at a better rate than when it's dropping, based off of the length of time I've been in the market, which I feel like were crazier times. Like, I got in right after the pandemic, or right during the pandemic, and, you know, stuff is just, and things just crazy valuations and stuff. Every stuff, the crypto, all of it, it's just, you know, new. But once this thing level out, you know, hopefully I'll be selling out, you know, to the top side. More weighty. But yeah, man, that's all I got. It's your boy, The Bridge. Yeah, man. Till next time, y'all stay chilling. Watch those investments. Make sure you do the best thing you can do for your portfolio. And yeah, man, that's what it is, man. Until next time, I ain't trying to do nothing to bridge the gap. I'm just out here cause blood. All right, I'm out, man. Bye, Tesla.
Hey, watch the drip. We gon' flood this thing out. You a trip. I should probably get my luggage back out. New